morning, dear students. Today, let's learn voice change in English grammar. This topic is English grammar class. What is voice change? Voice is the form of the verb which indicates whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. Voice habisi apai verb ki form ni bahana kai tai subject na thubak tawra natrana mona kai mokha tawra ta pa du verb ki form ko pina voice kawi. There are three kinds of voices. Voice makal om sui apina ahanbada active voice, passive voice, passive voice. Active voice. When the subject of the sentence is the doer or actor, the verb is in active voice. When a sentence when a subject is thabak tawba taragati madubu when active voice the log daiba kawi mangi verb ki form do. Example: he scolds me. He reads a poem. Sida when a subject si he ka adumana si scold haiba si action si kan tawre. He haiba subject kan tawre adumana active voice the log daiba kawre. And this very example is true. He reads. See the read see if in a fast thing. See the read you ta agadi is happening. Adu go read iti my fast second read in the happening. And the say the past tense the evening. He read a poem. Ano saying ama para me having it up. So the action divan tore. Adu see active voice level tore. Next. Passive voice. When the subject of the sentence is acted upon, the verb is in passive voice. Come. Apina nasai verb ki form just the subject the action ji receive toro. Adu tadi madu ko pina kai kawi passive voice le kawi. For example, I am scolded by him. Sila scolded hai si man se late. Tom sai him hai ba. That's a mana action is scolding the action the mana receive tawre aduna sigi verb ki form siku pili kai tawre passive form le kawi. Siraju a poem is read by me. Siraju subject si a poem ni adu a poem ni tawre action se aduna sigi kai tawre passive voice le kawi. Next, quasi-passive voice. A quasi-passive voice is active in form but passive in sense. Honey tastes sweet, the rose smells sweet. So the quasi-passive idea kaino. Apagi magi form is active to aduga magi sense, magi meaning na kayo sa ka. Passive to sa ka. Aduga sentence na aduga ko na magi aduga iba magi verb form do. Aduga ko ni kawi quasi-passive voice le kawi. For example, see the honey tastes sweet. Honey na taste awa kote. Honey is the living thing. Ka. See the when a karma matam na when a sweet awa khandu is there. When a taste awa matam na. Other see so my meaning is like my passive sense like you. Adu my subject is kaino ere honey no ere. My form is kaino. See B1 with that when always an active voice. Magic active voice le kawi. Ka. Aduna. But the rose smells sweet. So the rose is in the living things ni. Ko I have my plan to talk about the living thing in a treat we got. It smells got sweet. Chisu active form adu artadi essentially. Rose the bu apa smell to apa dia buka. Kan dia bahkan di apa yang tertulis di apa na voices atau macam apa rules kira rakalai adu ni rules tu habit yang si. Rules for changing active voice into passive voice. Active voice की passive voice दा फिर change तो मतलब दा rules कर नहीं, higher rules ना लो, higher things. Rule number 1. The passive voice is formed by using appropriate forms of the be with the third form of the main verb. Hai deh, magi bi verb sigi magi form tongan ba forms mayam lei ko aduga mai sanaba ama ako'y na passive voice sila na ko ako'y na active passive ano term ko. For example, am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. Hay sinti ako'y there are different forms of be verb. Kung ako'y sinado ako'y na active passive form ano term da. Bagi sana ba kayo na ako'y na hapsin gani aduga third form ay third form of the main verb. Ama sila gani ko. Third form si ani yaw to sungaya din ako'y na active passive ano term da be verb is very compulsory. Third form is also very compulsory. Next, the object takes the place of the subject. Hay di ako'y na active passive ano ko matam na ako'y active na subject si passive voice ki object para kaniyo. Aduga mo passive voice ki le object si active voice ano ko matam na subject para kaniyo. Hay di ontong onsin niya hay tal. Pagkanda, the subject is either left out or mentioned at the end as a mere agent of the action done. Hay di ako'y na active passive ano ko matam na hello ba? Bagi aru dalam ba bagi agency ako'y na understood toro. Natagan taka withdraw. Natagan ako'y clear withdraw. Aduna ako'y backward ba? Clear like ta ka ako'y madudu habang da siya. For example, he was arrested yesterday. Sida ako'y public tabag sa police tawo ito bikani. Ari dali sa ito ako'y na police has the half siya. Siya ako'y understood toro ba ko. Tanda, the verb does not change its tense but its form only. Hay di ako'y na active passive form ano matabda may lerem liba active na rin tense to. Passive ta ako'y na madami tense change to. Yadi only ako'y na change to is may form dum ta ako'y na change to. Pagi tense only yadi. So direct. Rule number 5. The preposition by is mostly used to show how the subject is agent of the action. Sometimes other prepositions like to, with, at, in, etc. are used in place of by. So that by is by. By in would happen to, with, at, in have a preposition. By is an action verb to ako'y atopa ako'y to, with, at, or in the haise. Musna ako'y kamay ito ako'y step tak pa after ko. Again, building start ko ba ito mo. For example, I know you have said that you are known by me hayadil. Siya di pwede kay lakani, to lakani. You are known to me hay lakani. For example, kan at hayadil, with hayadil pa so with hayadil. Mahal na yung saw me. He annoyed me. Ano yung dali kahani? I was annoyed with him. At maya dali, I was annoyed by him hayadil. Ko, fine sana ba? Saw by the feelings ni. Ano rin na by sinabi yadil. Ko, etu kamay hayabiyay. Pagi pawad na maya sinungahalami. The news surprised all. Ano rin na kahani? All were surprised at the news. By Pagdadi bin Laden. So in the Harzi. This box contains sweets. Harzi. Already, sa sweets yung kain yun. Sa box yung maluli yun. Ano dati pa ito daw? Maling tapos. Pag dapat ito yung sinagalit. In sinagalit. Then Harzi, sweets are contained in this box. Next. Preposition inseparable attached with the verb in the active voice are not dropped while using by. When a verb siya preposition luna sa verb kayawi lady ko. Hay ba verb siya set ako'y sa imay voice change to kumatanda active passive change to kumatanda na sa igi mo ni yaw preposition to kuna kundo kibiyatin. Kaya by yaw kumatanda. For example, mahang ingon nomi. He laughed at me. Si dapat na love si kay verb si transitive verb si matung dapat at ay. Alin sa at siya na passive voice wala matam da pin si active do me ade ito ka hari I was loved at by him hai la ka dio si active do me ade ko thang da my verb patterns kai yin sit my voice sense ki khoina tian se nipan se khoina activity passive da khoina change so ai khoi sing do phai thang thang hai ke ihan han ba tam da khoina present indefinite tense ai sida only verb form du khang ire ko si ma bang noi na khan di subject lai som da object lai adiga to pa khoi action ba ba khoi adverb oi ba complement oi ba du su lai ko ai only use ai verb form se kari si ma pham da active da v1 ba tam du na kai lai am is are plus v3 adege mathang gi present continuous am is are plus v1 plus ing passive da am is are plus being plus v3 sida ina somna kanda being hai lai si kai ni sida yaw ba koi present participle ni kochi se v1 plus ing hai si ko si ki ing form ji mandate on we da mata somna ka ni being ko ni Present present perfect. Present perfect की मैं active form तो लेकर जो verb form सी has, have plus v3. passive तना has, have plus been plus v3. तो सी आ रहा है. तभी past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense v2. अभी के लिए was were plus v3. लेकिन मतलब दा ये past continuous was were plus v1 plus ing so na kan passive form dena was were plus be plus v3 apan da past perfect had plus v3 and it had plus be plus v3 next future indefinite shall will plus v1 shall will be plus v3 sila nila ka sari uramani sila pina b bhav mam choi yaramani aduga b3 mam choi yaramani hai b3 di past participle se pina b3 chali ba arobada hai future perfect shall will plus have plus v3 adi dikai shall will plus have plus be plus v3 la kini ba so na kanda ni screen di so na kani kan ore ba mana play cái gì chân đời nó cũng phải có cái cụ đấy xin đi ở đâu đấy là phải đi bây giờ mà nuôi được thằng nó là gì vậy đó mày tiền gì mày con không xin gì nữa nó hay là cái gì đó là tiền sẽ lấy hay là chỉ mà hoàn không được ngay là được bỏ tiền xem mà nuôi bây giờ bố sẽ sống mà tầm được bỏ được đó với nó cái là mình nó sập tiền nó cái mình nó ôm tiền hay là gì thì được không được ra tiền bỏ nhưng mà giờ đấy thằng đó ai sai ina piba magi bhab form so du mai le na piba koi example kar ye se ai yan ha mara lokat ka do si assertive tense ki voices da woni kensi yan ha mara ko ne na do si assertive ki demo for da pai yen zoom na si ko he sells apples Seriously, he is subject matter. अदेगी जवाब सिला he subject matter sells apples. He subject sells verb apples object. Pwena active tagi passive to lo ko tamda apina ay na sai hai gane active tala na subject si passive mo sila ko matamda subject na from passive object ko pa. Jadi yan natin. From the no object si apay passive mo sila ko matamda di ay passive ay subject ko dili ka. Regarding apples Mari sila le libut tensi kay no present indefinite tense ni adu present indefinite tense ni formula de tu na sai ke hai di mai ni verb pattern se dik hai am is are plus v3 ni adu ta di c kai no z by present indefinite na kai se fc kai no maji plural ni adu di kai la ni are adverbs are shall ki third form di kai no shall 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 ahum subduni ko ai hai sa adverbs are shall by him sira by happy si ke do no sai thebak tori ba agency kana no khang na bi de mak tani ko finish the by happy si ko chang da lai re pathangi subject verb object aditadi sigi letters hani rani sai gi sona kana lai ba objects na so the cassette da tomatam da object where ko adu objects na so the cassette da subject where to dikhare the letter adu ke letter si singular ni na kai ni so this singular si ko ai nom ta ke past ni bang ni was where ni ko aditadi kai le was right root return hai la ka bi ko de third form de return lai re by ko by paragraph ha sina present indefinite means na past indefinite ko akan ye irregular tense present continuous subject verb object jadi kamai da ni tigi the object si from the passive ta la kama tamna subject hoye jadi ke hai along letter papat sai pa hai ba present continuous ki mai verb pattern ta hai ki do am is are plus being plus be3 heavy ade da the letter singularly is ani aduga mai sigi kai no si mai continuous ki mai form se maintain to nabi de mamta kuna being have a vibhav se hatulani being returned by him baik Hoy haji to uri present indefinite past indefinite present continuous akan la tu sina past continuous the gardener was sick canonical isi typing ka soy hai planting hai ka ni planting ho ga ni planting hai to pre ado si na verb de sina kai la object duita di mango trees na suna kana subject mai la ni passive voice ta mango trees adita di cec le si past continuously kai na was where plus being plus be3 adita di where being planted by the gardener. Option A, number 5. He has called me. See now, present perfect ni. Present perfect tadi apa yang kemarin orang has have plus been plus be3 ni. Jadi tadi mai isi object si sudah law object subject sudah law tadi be isi kai dah ni I jadi have like I have been call be3 called by him. Text sina past perfect hindi kamay lagi kena had plus been plus b3 ni ko by verb form de lagi bedo masai ge verb ki pattern de lagi bedo ane tadi kai lani the picture The picture had been seen by them. Can we next now picture in the beginning? I will play hockey. Adita the picture in the beginning the appoina like formula say shall or will plus b plus b3. Adita this is the label subject C I le verb le hockey no le verb. Jadi hoki semua orang kalah ni kena sunat positif aku macam dah. Jadi hoki will be played. Play in part of the play. PLA by ET played by me. Kemudian, lagi macam dah. Tense apagi tense da le tense apagi future perfect tense ni de tadi future perfect tense formula de kai lai shall or will plus have plus be plus b3 ni jadi policy school A school will have been opened by him. Hence, my own local got. I want to say. Turned out, he got made call. She made model got. Already, B is the object. Sida apa yang kau kena high gauge sida. Mana masa kamu kata sida subject ni. Sina verb ni, sina object ni, sini kaya na. Remaining part of the sentence ni, boleh object na take off. Ada dah moi si adum, dia kita sambil kau kaya na. Ada kamai orang kani. I may be called by him for the interview. Serius mo? The objective ni, ada macam subjek pun dah latar di I ada jadi sunah kanda may si lah ada main di bawah yang dia di jauh ada pol di hal pol di ada si by him agent type of si subjek sunah kanda object ada remaining part of the sentence sunah kanda menjadi selesai. Tadi saya itu for interview answer. Si mengang satu sih. I really call for interview by him. I had to supaya di call dan kami minta kepada aku. Katanya, I have to finish this work. Jadi apa lagi sih ni? Infinitive sih ni. So, si infinitive sih datang lagi. Infinitive tadi kemaila kan yang hai macam dah. Pena infinitive is kemaila. Pena 2 plus b1 ni dia pernah semaila ada 2 plus b plus b3 ni semaila. Kau ada orang subjek objek untuk nak lor. Jadi ini sikap. Half le subjek le half le objek le. Jadi tadi this work is singular. Singular ita disunda kade kai lani pina his I have 2 plus C finish the B1 iko. That is the B of the mirror to be finished by me. And I do the what? Is what has to be finished by me. This object from the subject like that. Aduga sigi singular in has like that. I infinitive to the kahagi to be lani ko. To be aduga third form like finished by from the subject like this that object like that. Sini apa yang masih assertive ki apa yang orang pada bersikap. Mana apa yang naik bahag pattern dah, photo bi laga, apa subject object tu kami laga. Apa yang lain orang bi apa. Sini assertive ki noi ado noi na lagi like yang buat exercise yang mesti kita practice tau. Apa ikan laga macam kita mau na more elaborately apa yang nasi. Aduga macam ni class apa imperative amade pe interrogative ki sentence ki questions matang da pe pedana muni nasi sigi matang silo ka. Thank you.